Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to update Clash Royale application. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Google Play Store or your Apple Store. Now if you're using Android, that's Google Play. If you're using iPhone, that's Apple. So I'm using an Android phone, so I'm just going to launch my Google Play Store. So in here, go ahead and look for the search bar. This also applies to Apple Store. Just launch the application and locate the search bar. Now the search bar is usually at the top corner of the screen. So in the search bar, just go ahead and tap the search bar. And in the search bar, you're going to type in Clash Royale. Punch the magnifying lens on your keyboard and it's going to take you here. Now over here, you have Clash Royale and it says installed. And just right next to it, you have the play button. Now, if your Clash Royale app needs some kind of updating, right here where you have play next to Clash Royale, you're going to see update. So mine does not need updating because my application is pretty much up to date. In fact, it's a new app that I just downloaded, so I possibly wouldn't find the update option. So let's say you have been using Clash Royale for quite a while and your let's say your Clash Royale application has just been misbehaving, like it has not been functioning properly, all right, and you just need to update it, and you have the suggestion to actually update your Clash Royale app. Just head over here and just right beside it where you have play, you're going to find update. So it's going to be update. So click on that update button and wait for a while for the update to be updated. That you're going to wait for it to install again, but this time around it's updating. So once it's done updating, it's now going to change to play. So once it's done updating, it's going to change to play, and so select play, and play is going to take you right into the Clash Royale application where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting gaming experience. So this is how you can update your Clash Royale application. I can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.